climate is changing faster and faster. And Europeans want action. The Paris Agreement brought the world together to fight climate change. Europe can take the lead. Let's make our economy climate neutral by 2050. Our economy would grow. Fossil fuel imports would fall. Above all, our quality of life would improve. So, how can we do it? First, we will be more energy efficient. After all, the energy we don't use is the cleanest. Most of our energy will have to be renewable, driven by the wind, sun, or sea. We can make transport more sustainable through clean, electric or fuel cell vehicles when possible, and where needed by using renewable fuels. Industry will change too, through innovation and by embracing the circular economy. For the few emissions we can't reduce, we will compensate through forestry, climate-friendly agriculture, a bioeconomy, or capturing and storing carbon underground. That's how we can reach a climate-neutral economy. We know it won't be easy. We will need to invest in the transformation, taking care of regions and workers who face the most change. Think about our lifestyle choices. But it can be done. Working together will benefit us all. A modernized economy, cleaner air and environment, better quality of life, a healthier planet.